guys, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni. I'm a new immigrant here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. We got here last year July and we'll be officially 6 months here in 2 days time, and I'm super excited to share with you guys what I've been up to. I pray that this year is going to be a fun and interesting one for us all, for both I and for all my viewers. And today is also my son's birthday. I just gave him his birthday gift and he's so excited about his gift. We're not going to be doing anything extraordinary today because I and my husband, we are working today, but maybe during the weekend we'll just give him a little treat. My second son's birthday is also on Sunday. January is the month that God decided to bless me back to back. A lot of things have happened in January over the years, and I'm super excited for this month. We will also be turning 6 months in 2 days time. Yes. By this time last year, no, I think on the 3rd of January last year, we got our final ghost updates. If you are in on this permanent resident journey, you will know what ghost updates means, and I was so happy that day. And the second day we got our PPR, passport request, and I am sure that this year's January is not going to be an exception. Stick by to this channel, don't go away, don't unsubscribe. I promise that you will love it here once you subscribe to my channel. So guys, I'll catch you guys later. I want to quickly go and resume work and log in into my computer. This battery is too big for it. Your daddy will help you to put the battery. No, don't spoil it. Just wait. You can play with your iPad, but wait for your daddy to put the battery. Your one is upstairs. Don't ask your daddy. He will give you. So guys, I will catch you guys later. We're not going anywhere today, but maybe we might go out later. But I just feel like dressing up, and it wasn't planned. Everybody's wearing black, touch of black and white. Come and show them your outfit. But this your hair is bushy. You need to barb it. We combed it this morning, but it's still looking bushy. So come and say hi. So everybody is wearing black.
No, don't you?
Daddy has no hair shower.
Me, I'm wearing white.
You're wearing black and white. You can go.
Black and white.
So I bought this wig cap for myself for Christmas. One of my Christmas gifts. It didn't come before Christmas, but it got here yesterday. It looks pretty. You can take it. My stomach is looking flat. And that's because I have been eating healthy and trying to stay in shape. So this is my outfit today. I just want to quickly take some pictures, then I want to make smoothie. Making it a bit, I don't know how to describe the taste, but it's delicious. But Look at their furnitures, fragile looking furnitures. Now you'll be seeing big prices. Hi guys, I just want to quickly unbox some items I got from Shein. It's my first time of ordering things from Shein and I'm so excited about it. I don't know what changed, but ever since I got here, one of my hobby is to shop for things. So actually the things inside this box are not for me, they are for my kids. School will be resuming next week and I thought to get them more clothing. I don't know what I ordered, it came in this box. Am I sure it's mine? Okay, yes it is. My name is written on it. So these are the things I ordered. And I just closed from work. Although it's already dark right now. But the time is just 6:30 I think. And something happened though. That's how I went to register for my driving test. I told you guys some time ago last year that I passed my knowledge test, but I've not been able to go back to take my driving test because I've been working and I usually don't have time to do that. So yesterday I said I was going to go there and register for my driving test, my practical test. So we went there yesterday only for me to get there and they were about to issue the temporary driver's license and they found out that I failed my eye test, my driving eye test. So right now I don't even know what to do. The lady said I should go back and retake the test using my glasses. And the lady that took the initial test didn't tell me that I failed the test. She just gave me the paper. And I didn't even look at it since last year. So all the things I bought for them are just two-piece suits because we are still in winter and they need warm clothing. I ordered more than this, but I think the other ones will come in later. So I'm just going to put them away now in their closet. So right now I want to quickly make myself some noodles. And this is what I'm craving for this morning. On it, I'm supposed to go out today with my sister. She wants to get a dress for her birthday shoot this month. But I don't know if we are still going to go because she hasn't replied my message. I know she sleeps in on Saturdays. So I'm going to be eating my noodles with egg and chicken. So I'm having it with chicken. I think I want to put a lot of pepper. I'm really craving a very spicy noodles. I think I will need to reduce the water. So this is what I'm craving. Don't judge me. I feel like eating 2 eggs.